UK gang, don't think me forget about you know. Don't think me forget about you know. No sir, today we there man with Central C, the one name Limitless. You see me and say, let's get it.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector.
Yeah man gang, yes we are dealing with today gang. UK gang, don't think me forget about you know. No, I don't forget about you know man. No man, we are back with another one. Central C just dropped the one name Limitless. I don't know, I gotta check it out and see what I go on. Been a minute since we check out Central C, you know. I don't know Central C, how our favorite artists react over here, so especially from the UK. But it's been a little minute, I ain't gonna lie. It's like, but I'm gonna get back on the grind, gang. You see me and say, yeah man, the one name Limitless, we now will be very much longer, gang. Let's get it, man.
Make your mind up. Are you gonna stay with me? Lay with me tonight.
Boy, working out. Obviously, health is wealth, you know. Yeah, man.
When life gets rough, how can I complain? I got bros in jail, so it could be worse. I put up the bread for my broski's funeral. That was my first time booking a hearse. I sold coke to the white people in the ends. I'm glad that my hood's diverse. I'm writing a verse, and my sis told me that my niece is listening. Please don't. How do I put this pain into words? Like a bullet from a gun, it burns. Slept on a bando sofa, and I woke up.
Man said, oh me fi complain when me a brother is in a jail. Me know say life could have worse than this. Me sell dope to the white people on the ends. Me just glad say the place diverse, you know. You see me? I'm rate that. Cause as a white youth, you see me glad say I sell it to your old people, you know, to target black people. You see me I say, dog say, yo, me sell it to the white them too, you know. Don't feel say me just try to take advantage of the color. You see me sell it to my white people, me own people too. Just like how they said. Yo, focus! Focus, youth. Yeah, man, gang. Let's get it. Go on.
Up with spots on my face from germs. I feel betrayed by my girl. You were ungrateful when I gave you the mark. Even though I'm a man, I should hide it. I swallow my pride and say that it hurts. I'm lit right now. I got motion, but still need a plan B. Cause tables turn. Nigga.
We pull up that boy. Pull up. Wait, you know, Central C full of lyrics. Yeah, man. Say that full of lyrics, man. You heard that? I say, come true.
The verse and my sis told me that my niece is listening. Please don't. How do I put this pain into words? Like a bullet from a gun, it burns. Slept on a bando sofa, and I woke up with spots on my face from germs. I feel betrayed by my girl. You were ungrateful when I gave you the mark. Even though I'm a man, I should hide it. I swallow my pride and say that it hurts. I'm lit right now.
Yeah, man. Say, yo. You might write that song and he needs to, I say, because he needs to listen, so don't curse. You see me, man, I say, yo, my man, he not gonna lie, say, yo, he get betrayed by a girl and it hurt. You see me, that by, look at that by a mercy. Mercy, this, me don't know, what I go.
Words, like a bullet from a gun, it burns. Slept on a bando sofa and I woke up with spots on my face from germs. I feel betrayed by my girl, you were ungrateful when I
enough people don't know about them things there, sleeping at the band there, you know. No found never been homeless in a life, you know. Been through them things there, you know. You see me and say, in a abandoned apartment and them thing there. After you have tuggy tot and them thing there. No found no go through them life. No found live. Hey, go on.
If you don't mark, even though I'm a man, I should hide it. I swallow my pride and say that it hurts. I'm lit right now, I got motion, but still need a plan B. Cause tables turn. Negotiation landed at 25M. I'm making a label work. I won't even lie, I put family second. I'm sorry, the money's my main concern. If my funds are low, I get suicidal, so I got a
man say me nah lie, me put family second. Cause money is main concern. Talk facts no man. Hey, yo. Yeah man, family turning back by you know. Hey, so you have to make sure say yo that the paper come first, cause that would no family care about money more than they care about them own damn family. You see me I say, yeah man, so you have to put the paper first, man. Read talk. You don't know family betray you know. Hey, trust me, been through them thing there. Hey!
I'll put paper first. If I don't pay the bills, then who will? Remember, I felt like that man got trained OT, 2 days, got 2 bills. Open my mind, I'm feeling limitless, just like the film pop 2 pills. It's a full circle moment, I come out the night case true with a shoe deal. I still didn't lose ambition. When the shower never got warm and the ceiling leaking, the roof was dripping. We could go to the same optician. I'm afraid you won't view man's vision. Me and YB's linked up with Colombia, still just us on a 2-man mission. If I made a short film and put it on YouTube, it would need viewers' discretion. Living a movie, I can't.
Buckley, man, so make a short film about my life and put it on YouTube. Never put viewers' discretion on that. Cause my life not pretty. Oh, I'm told got you some rough thing. Hey, go on.
Press pause or fast forward when the scene gets graphic. 5% tints on all of the whips that cannot get seen in traffic.
Yeah, man, after I see man pan camera and see man laugh and I enjoy. No niggas been through out here, boy. You see me? Yeah. You don't know niggas been to her here, boy. So you see when man a laugh and have this but just low way. Don't make the other side come out. Go on, Joe.
He's and left the street relieved, but none of my grief did vanish. Me and my girl keep bumping heads, I feel like I'm speaking. Come estás, muy bien, what's good? How you been? I say I'm alright, but I'm stressed within. Deep breaths won't help.
But hold on. Bad charge. If you see this, me da do a reaction. You see me? Go on, Joe.
With the mess I'm in, I hope my good deeds outweigh all the fuckery. I'm trying to repent my sins. Already rich.
Good deeds outweigh the bullshit. You see me? You see me? We are trying to repent for the sin, you know, man. You see me? Yeah.
Still grinding, how greedy. I'm still not content with M's. If I don't pay the bills, then who will? Remember, I felt like that man got trained OT. 2 days, got 2 bills.
I don't pay the bills, then who will? Huh? Go on, Joe.
Open my mind, I'm feeling limitless. Just
I'm
like
not gonna pay for you. Go on, Joe.
don't pop 2 pills. It's a full circle moment. I come out the night 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 with a shoe deal. Alright, single parent household living on benefits, council housing, tenant restraining orders, cemetery visits, hard drug habits, our life weren't pleasant. Took away our innocence. We don't wanna die, we rely on weapons. Good ambience. I'm used to falling asleep to the sound of sirens, so I don't know if I like this change. It's too quiet. You always think that the grass is green until you step foot over there and try it. You can have finance.
Yeah, that's facts, man. That's facts. That's facts. Always think the grass green up on the other side. Till you go over there and try it. And then she say, yo, hey, it ain't what you thought it was. You see me I say? Yeah, man, the grass no green on the other side. The green where you water it. You see me I say? Yeah, man, big man thing. Don't make that go over your head.
True freedom, but the P don't stop people dying. Invest in guns for the ends won't help them. War won't stop the beef still frying. I'm not riding, I'm the one deciding. Got my brothers for life through right or wrong. I'm standing strong beside them. When you're the one providing in a yes man environment, everyone biased. More money, less violence. Time is free, but somehow priceless. So watch how you spend it wisely. If I don't pay the
Hey, this man spitting facts on this, dog. Of all the languages in the world, this man chose to speak facts on this. Listen to him, man.
The beef still frying. I'm not riding, I'm the one deciding. Got my brothers for life through right or wrong. I'm standing strong beside them. When you're the one providing in a yes man environment, everyone biased. More money, less violence. Time is free, but somehow priceless. So
more money, less violence. Time is free, but somehow priceless. Hey, you hear that? Time free, no man, but that priceless. Time is the only currency where you spend and you can't get more of it. Hey, yeah man, you can't get more. You can't make back time, you know. You can go make back other form of currency, but not time. When that spend. Go on.
Watch how you spend it wisely. If I don't pay the bills, then who will? Remember, I felt like that man got trained OT. 2 days, got 2 bills. Open my mind, I'm feeling limitless. Just like the film, pop 2 pills. It's a full circle moment. I come out the night 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 with a shoe deal.
Make your mind up. Are you gonna stay with me? Lay with me tonight.
Central C. Come to your man. You love yourself, yo. Yeah, I remember the first time we reacted to Central C, like, what was that? A year or 2 ago, bro? The man was nowhere close to where he is now. So big up Central C. You see what I say? Him grown, the channel grown, I've grown. You see what I say? Yeah.
Lay with me tonight. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Winter sales now live
That
on
is
𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓.com.
Hola.
Take a
That is it. Central C. Big up your damn self, dog. Yeah, man. Big tune, the dog. I speak some facts, man. They want them, man. You see me, I say? Man say, yo, family second, cause paper come first. That's facts. Cause when you don't have money, no, but no business today, no. Yeah, man. When you don't have money, people quick to tell you all type of this and treat you any type of way. That's facts. So you out there, go get that bread. You see me, I say? Yeah, go get that bread, man. You be surprised. Trust me. Been through some, hey, can't tell you. We can't tell you. Hey. But yeah, man, go get the bread, man. You see me? And go get your dreams, achieve your dreams. And you see me? Do what you need to do. You see me, I say, gang. Yeah, man, you can't, yeah. You don't want to say it though, but yeah. Some people have some good families still where they but some people, you see me, I say, some family will betray you and turn them back. You see me, I say. And fight you when they don't have certain things. Because some people look on you as less than when they have certain things, you know. Yeah, you really talk. But anyway, gang, let me know anything about the one in the comment section. Definitely go show the artist some love and support. You see me, make you know, say, yo, I the dancing, you know. Also, drop a request, all that good stuff, gang. You don't know what time it is, man. And it's done. You see me? I say, Jambisco done. Till next time. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.